the wall. You're gonna have to repair the whole place.
Yeah, they're gonna have to repair it all. Everything is just flooded. Now, oh great.
With water dripping around the ceiling. Around the bathroom. Hey, Sam.
Hi.
Hey, Jania.
Hey. Good morning. Our apartment is flooded right now, and the water is coming from, I don't even know if you can see that. See all the water. And it's raining from the ceiling. So the apartment above us is really leaking badly. Yeah, so that happened.
It's 4 in the morning.
It's 4 a.m. Hi, Mom, we're coming home.
My birthday's
Probably
on Saturday.
hopping a train to Guelph, like, now. Hi.
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 Hi.